Welcome to our channel. Jet lag can ruin the first days of your trip, but with proper preparation, you can minimize its effects. Step 1. Adjust your sleep schedule gradually a few days before departure, shifting your bedtime closer to your destination's time zone. Step 2. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before and during the flight. Avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine, as they can worsen dehydration. Step 3. Set your watch to your destination's time zone as soon as you board the plane to help mentally adjust. Step 4. Try to sleep during the flight if it's nighttime at your destination. Use earplugs, an eye mask, and a travel pillow. Step 5. Move around the cabin regularly to improve circulation and reduce fatigue. Step 6. Expose yourself to natural sunlight upon arrival to help reset your internal clock. Step 7. Avoid heavy meals close to your arrival time and eat light, nutritious food. Step 8. Stay active on your first day and resist the urge to nap until your normal bedtime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.